Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use coupons on Temu. To use coupons on Temu, you can first open your Temu application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your Temu account. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now tap on You on the down. Then here you'll be able to find coupons and offers option. Tap on coupons and offers. Now you'll be taken to unused section. Now here you can enter your coupon code on the given box. Now you can find the coupon code on different websites or on the gift cards that you receive. After you enter the coupon code, you can tap on apply option on the side. With this, now the coupon code will be applied. Now when you purchase any items from Temu, then your coupon code will be used and you'll get a special promotion or discounts on the item that you have purchased. After you use the coupon, then the coupon code will appear on used side. So you can tap on used option on the top and see if your coupon has been used or not. Similarly, if your coupon code gets expired, you can tap on expired on the top and see if your coupon code has been expired or not. This is how we can use coupons on Temu. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.